What's up guys, I'm Schmick. Today we got a new mural I'm painting at a school and I'm a little bit nervous because it's a pretty big wall. We're just at the studio getting some paints and we're going to go down and meet the scissor lift. So
What I'd originally planned to take the scissor lift isn't going to fit, so we're going to have to go the long way round. The other thing I didn't think about was the height of the roofs in the school, so I managed to figure out how to lower the basket and then we just made it. A couple hours later, we made it to the wall. Phew! Then I made a quick trip to the paint shop to get some colours I'll be working with, and the groundskeeper was a legend and gave me a buggy ride back to the wall. Alright, let's do it. I started off sketching out a squiggle grid on the wall with spray paint. The grid helps me see where I want to put my design. It was a tight fit in some areas. I started painting from the top edge with a brush, and I did this so I'm not going to get any extra paint on the ceiling. Then I got into it with a roller. And I just kept working my way down, blocking in the colours for the background. I love using bright colours, as you can tell. I used my Graco spray gun to get a gradient in the sky, and I started sketching out the bottom half of the wall. I'm painting a cool landscape of the Currumbin River, which is located just near the school, and doing it in my own style. Adding in some warmer colours to finish off the bottom half of the horizon. And this spray gun really makes things a lot easier to get those gradients. Now I'm filling in the rest of the areas with a block colour, which will be my base to go over and add some shadows first. This first part is really just blocking in all the colours. Then I started adding in all the different tones of green into the trees and just figuring out what kind of style I was going for. As the end of the day was approaching, I realised that I needed to charge the scissor lift and I didn't figure out where the power points were, so I managed to run this big lead all the way to this pole where I got power to charge it overnight. Alright, it's the next day, we got good weather, and let's just keep going. This was a pretty special moment. I just took a second to take it all in and reflect on how cool my job is, and I just love brightening up spaces for people to enjoy. I came up with the idea to have a student sitting on the aircon unit reading a book to use what was already on the wall, and the butterflies represent his imagination. There's also a family of curlew birds that live at the school, so I added them in down by the river. I started filling in all the blue, which was going to be the base colour of the river. The pink mountain in the back is Elephant Rock, which has a really cool shape to it. And my favourite part is adding the highlights to the water, because it just gives that perception of depth and direction that it's moving out into the horizon line. The buildings I added here is the Gold Coast skyline. And stepping stones which resemble moving forward into the future. I wanted this cool energy swoosh coming out of his book and up into the sky. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something or just got inspired for your own creative journey. Let me know what you thought of the mural, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos, and I'll see you soon. Much love. Peace.